Welcome to Kelly Hicks Construction in Sublette, Illinois, 61367. We are located right on US Route 52 in north central Illinois, about 50 miles south of Rockford and 80 miles west of Chicago. Today we're going to be looking at a 2010 Wildwood Xlite Model 20RD. I'm going to take you a tour around this thing, tell you all about it, and try to sell it to you. It's got two outside speakers underneath of the awning. There's its model number and our phone number. The tongue weight is under 500 pounds and the dry weight is only 3,700 pounds. We've got an underslung spare tire. We've got 4 stabilizer jacks. This is the backpack edition, so it has the flip down rear storage rack that holds up to 200 pounds. Little storage compartment on the back side for your blocks. This has a 6-gallon water heater. It comes standard with the reigniter. See it there? Igniter, reigniter. It's a piezo thing. 20-gallon gas tanks. Last digits of the serial number is 340397. Nice graphic package. We carry every X-LITE that they build. I'm going to take you inside and show you around the interior, which doesn't take too long. Walk into a queen bed with storage underneath. Lots of nice cabinets in the bedroom area. This camper's 22 foot long. Has the dining room in the rear. You have the stove with the oven upgrade. The backpack edition means it has a microwave, 2 outside speakers, an awning, and the flip down rear storage rack. All X-LITEs have the pull out sprayer. See the pull out sprayer there? Nice composite sink. There's the power panel, or I'm sorry, the RV panel. Got the furnace down there. It's got roof AC, and that's also part of the backpack edition package. Nice big rear dining room with the view. If we could see out besides the trailer, you'd see there was a nice view there. I upgraded this one to the double door fridge. So it's got the freezer and the fridge. Yeah, this is a great trailer for a couple to go around the country in. It comes standard with LP gas detector. There's the power panel. Breakers and fuses. I said it has ducted roof air. We'll go in the bathroom. Got a skylight in the bath. Exhaust fan. It's raining today, so I got my coat on. Nice tub surround. And there's the toilet. It's got the PVC flooring, which looks like plank wood, but it's actually PVC, and it's warranted for 5 years against splitting or cracking. There you have it. That is a short video of the 2010 Wildwood Xlite 20RD Backpack Edition. Give us a call. Come and look at some of our Wildwoods. We got plenty to look at. Got about every trailer Wildwood builds that's worth owning is here on this sales lot. Goodbye for now.